Hi there, I'm Judy. In this video, we're going to go through downloading SQL Server Express and restoring the NFL database that you've hopefully downloaded already from my site. If you go to the link provided, or if you just search for SQL Server Express, you'll find the Express free edition. Click on download, it will download, and then you can execute the exe file to begin the setup. The basic installation is great. Accept the terms and conditions and install. I'm going to pause for just a moment and I'll be back once this has finished installing. Okay, it's finished and this is what we have. So now the database itself has been installed. We still need to install SSMS, which is SQL Server Management Studio, so that you can actually connect to the database. So if you'll want to go ahead and click on install SSMS to install that as well, if you don't already have it. When I clicked on that, it brought me to this page to download SSMS. So we're going to go ahead and download it. I'm going to pause while that downloads. After you've installed SSMS, you can open the Management Studio and we will then connect to the database server. I didn't install it because I already had it installed, so it wouldn't install. It would have just asked to repair it. Anyhow, so now you can connect to the database server. I'm running multiple things here, so it may look a little bit different for you. You can browse for your databases, and you should see one called SQL Server Express. Go ahead and connect to that. We'll use Windows authentication. And now we can restore the database. All right, so now we're ready to restore the database. Click on Databases in the Object Explorer on the left, and then right-click on Databases and Restore Database. We're going to be restoring from a device, which is a file. Click on the three dots to select the file and click Add. Navigate to wherever you extracted the file that you downloaded to, and you may need to change it from backup files to all files. Should be called NFL_data. Go ahead and click OK and OK. Don't hit OK yet to restore it. We need to select one more setting. So go to Files on the Select a Page over here. Before we had been in General, go to Files and click that checkbox that says Relocate all files to folder. Now you can select OK. And the database will be restored in the backup. It was restored successfully, hopefully. Now we can look at the data. So if you go back to your Object Explorer and open the NFL data and open the tables, you will now see all of the tables described in the article. I hope this was helpful. If not, let me know if you have questions. Thanks.